the flourish exercise for rifles. So I've already taught most of you this, but quick review. You're going to do 4 drop spins. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, I'm going to go over to my left. So it goes up, down behind me, up, and then back in front of me. And then on the other side, it goes directly from there, up, down, up, down. So it requires a lot of wrist movement. So we're going to do this side and then this side low, and then we'll do 4 drop spins. This side and this side like at arm height, 4 drop spins, and then this side and this side all the way up here. So I'll do it with you. So we'll go 5, 6, squeeze, pushing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So if you watch, on every count, your tip is either up or down. So we'll go 5, down 6, up 7, down 8, up 9, down 10, up 11, down 12.